What's going on, guys? So today I got some Funyuns. These are spicy queso Funyuns. Interesting. I grabbed a bag of regular ones because I haven't had Funyuns in probably 10 years, maybe not literally 10 years, like 5 years. Just it's been a long time. So let's break into the old school ones first. I like Funyuns. It's just I don't know. I just don't buy them. Alright, so if you never saw these, onion ring flavored snack, probably corn based. Yep, enriched cornmeal. Alright, so still smells the same as when I was a kid. I used to love Funyuns when I was a kid. Here we go. Yep. That's a Funyun. Alright, now that I remember what the normal ones taste like, let's try these spicy queso ones. Just seemed intriguing. Okay, definitely smell different. They're actually a different color. Maybe side by side here. So they're definitely reddish. What does that smell like? It does smell a little cheesy. That's what the queso is, right? Isn't queso just the word cheese? All right. So, yeah, lots of color going on there. Let's try it out. So, it does have like a mild cheese flavor. And it is just ever so slightly spicy. It's not like anywhere near anything spicy. It's actually really subtle, maybe because I only had one. Let's try another small one here. Yeah, they're definitely cheesy. It's different though. It's not like Cheetos cheese or Doritos cheese. It's kind of its own cheese flavor. But here's my problem with this. Even though they're not bad, I'm not tasting the onion. So essentially you have the Funyun shape and the Funyun like base corn flavor, I suppose, but you don't have the onion flavor, so that kind of takes away from it. So like if you love Funyuns, you're like, oh well, I would love a spicy queso Funyun. It's not really a Funyun anymore. Now it's just a spicy queso corn ring. Does that make sense? So that's my only real problem with it. I believe it or not, I actually prefer the regular Funyun. I dig these more. But yeah, the spice is like super low. It's not even like a flaming hot heat. It's really barely spicy. That's all I can really say. But anyway, just wanted to try those. You can see it's getting cold out now. Fall's finally here. You see all the leaves in the background. You see my pumpkin that's made out of horseshoes. You want to see it? Hang on. I got this many years ago from the county fair. I just thought it was cool. It's just a bunch of horseshoes that are welded together and painted. And because of that, it's super durable. So, yeah, I put this out every year. Anyway, you don't care about my horseshoe pumpkin, do you? Spicy queso Funyuns. I wouldn't bother, to be honest. Let's just like try new things like me. Like if this was a regular staple item, I would never get it. I barely get these. Although now that I'm having, I gotta have another one. Now that I've had these, I kind of miss how good they were. Just simple. Oh yeah. Funyuns are good. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.